Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is inversely proportional, the relationship where one doubles and the other halves. They take turns. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes a relationship truly inverse, how to find k with multiplication instead of division, and why the graph is a curve called a hyperbola. Y is inversely proportional to x means y equals k over x, where k is a single constant. Double x and y halves. Triple x and y becomes 1/3. The product of x and y always stays the same. That fixed product is your k. One constant, one curve, one rule for the whole problem. Here's the key insight. The graph of y equals k over x is a curve called a hyperbola. It approaches both axes but never touches them. To find k, multiply any y by its x. You'll get the same answer every single time. Direct proportion, divide. Inverse proportion, multiply. That's the structural switch. Common slip. Inversely proportional is not just one goes down as the other goes up. Y equals 10 minus x decreases as x increases, but it's not inverse proportion. Inverse proportion needs y times x to be constant. Test it on two data pairs. If the products match, you've got inverse proportion. If they don't, you don't. Quick example, 6 workers take 4 days to finish a job. Find k. 6 times 4 equals 24. That's k. So one worker takes 24 days. 12 workers take 24 divided by 12, which is 2 days. Notice how more workers means less time. That's inverse proportion working as advertised.